G'day ice cream lovers, my name's Steve Christensen. Hey, welcome to this episode of the podcast. Nice to have you here. Look, if you are listening on iTunes or another podcast audio setting, or you're watching this on the Scoop School website or YouTube, I would suggest that you hit subscribe. It's going to save you a whole lot of time searching through videos. Every time we post a new video, you're going to get a little bit of an alert to say, hey, Steve's back on my computer, and then we can have a bit of a chit chat. So this episode is brought to you by the good folks at Dippin' Flavors, D-I-P-P-I-N. Look, Jimmy Stutz, Ryan, all of the crew down there are dedicated to making your ice cream look and taste fantastic. Dippinflavors.com, D-I-P-P-I-N. Again, I often say anything that goes in or on ice cream, they're the people. And they look, part of their pricing is they drop ship it straight to your door. So the pricing you see on the website includes the freight right to your back door, dippinflavors.com. Thank you, Jim and the lads, for your sponsorship of this episode. Now, I have a lot of people asking, both in class, in consulting, and in the forums that I'm a part of, is what can I use to flavor my ice cream, and can I use something like Jif? Look, all of these brand name products are very much loved by your customers. So it's more than likely that your customers, particularly the mums, have got a tub of Jif like this in their pantry at home, and can you use that to flavor ice cream and then say, hey, it's flavored with Jif? Well, there's a couple of things going on there. First of which is that Jif is actually designed, pasteurized, homogenized, if there's any dairy in it, which there isn't, I'm talking about general flavors, but also stabilized in order to go on to sandwiches, crackers, celery, bananas, whatever you put your Jif on, not necessarily designed to freeze. So what may end up happening is that if you're using Jif or any type of other brand name product as a flavor profile to your ice cream, and it's not designed to actually be frozen, you may find it will have a negative effect, not necessarily on the taste, but on the appearance. I've had a lot of peanut butters that we've used that basically after a couple of days in the ice cream case have started to crack or started to oxidize a lot earlier, and that's because it wasn't designed to do what you're trying to have it done. So the issue is that you may want to use a product like Jif here, but the downside is it wasn't designed really to do what you want to do. Now, if your rotation is so often that you're kind of rotating product in and out, may be okay. If you're looking at the logistics of wholesaling or selling it to other ice cream stores or restaurants, and you're looking at the logistics of shipping, storing it in other places, might be an issue. You may need to go with a product that's actually designed to freeze. And again, companies like Dippin' Flavors, iRice, a lot of different companies make peanut butter flavor and peanut butter topping that are designed to basically hold to ice cream or flavor and freeze in ice cream. So, just a quick tip, if you're having issues with some brand name products that are available in the store that you're using to flavor your ice cream and it's not coming out color-wise, taste-wise, or texture-wise, means it really wasn't designed to do it, perhaps look for an alternative that was designed to do so. That's our tip for this episode of the podcast. Thanks for tuning in. Again, thank you for Dippin' Flavors for all of their sponsorship. And if you want more information about the ice cream business, look, head on over to scoopschool.com. We do live classes, online classes, consulting. We can certainly help you. Keep on scooping. We'll see you in the next video.